AI video generators like Sora and Runway are incredible, but they cost a fortune. What if I told you China just changed the game? Today, I'm revealing 3 powerful AI video generators that are 100% free, require absolutely no sign-up, and offer unlimited generations. Let's dive in. First up is Kling. This tool is a beast. It produces high-definition 1080p videos with complex motion that rival the world's best paid models. Whether it's a woman gracefully sipping coffee or a cat rocking sunglasses in Paris, the physics and realism are truly mind-blowing. And the best part? You can start creating right now without spending a single dime. Next is SeaArt. While most creators know it for its incredible image generation, their new video engine is a hidden gem. It's perfect for anyone wanting unlimited creative flexibility. It handles highly stylized animation and realistic film equally well. No credits to worry about, no annoying wait lists, just pure, unadulterated creative freedom at your fingertips. Finally, we have Veo 3. This generator truly excels, focusing on hyper-realistic lighting and texture. Just look at the way the light beautifully hits the skin in this clip. It's virtually indistinguishable from reality. Veo 3 is a direct, formidable challenge to the paid giants, offering professional-grade output for absolutely zero cost. The entire AI landscape is rapidly shifting. You no longer need a massive budget or a subscription to produce world-class video content. These 3 powerful tools prove that high-end, cutting-edge technology is quickly becoming accessible to absolutely everyone. All right, out of these 3 incredible tools, which one is your absolute favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for even more game-changing AI secrets and tutorials. Start creating, and I'll catch you in the next one.